Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to take a look at the age-old question of, is there some way I can do this cheaper and have it work out exactly the same? Have you ever gotten a new job in and you're taking a look at the print and you're thinking, man, I'm going to have to buy another new tool for this job? You go out and you spend, $800, $1,000, $1,500 on a new name brand face mill. You're thinking to yourself, is there any way I can get away with doing this cheaper? So what I've done is I went out and I bought this 2.5-inch round insert Wex face mill off Amazon. Doesn't actually look too bad. Uses 12mm round inserts. It's got some clamps on the inserts there. The finishes are actually pretty good, but we're going to put this thing to the test and see how a $40 US face mill can do in just normal cold rolled steel. So just for a little closer look at the face mill, 2.5-inch cutting diameter, 4 inserts, 12mm round, top clamps. Inserts don't look too bad, but they're extremely light. Like, I'm talking high-speed steel levels of weight. So I'm not sure how well this is going to hold up. And here's the piece of material, just some cold rolled steel. We're going to take some test cuts in and see how it holds up. Quick progress report. Inserts still look pretty good. Very little signs of wear. So let's keep pressing on. So from that cut, we got some pretty substantial chips being welded onto the inserts and wrecked a little top clamps, but the edges seem like they're still there, so let's keep going. So by some God-given miracle, the inserts are still alive and actually still look pretty good. So we're going to have to bump this up quite a bit to see if we could turn this thing into some molten metal. So this is what the cutter looked like after that cut you just saw. Pretty much broke the corners off the inserts, but holy shit, I cannot believe that this thing even did that many cuts. That was 5,000 surface footage, 1/8 inch deep, and 25 thou per tooth. And that's all that happened to this. That is amazing. I'm way more impressed by this than I thought I was going to be when it first showed up at my house. So wow, that worked out way better than I could have ever expected. I mean, this thing just ran at an 1/8 inch depth of cut, 5,000 surface footage, 760 inches a minute in cold rolled steel, and that's basically all that happened to the inserts. Now, I'm not saying I would ever use this in production, that would never happen, but it actually worked better than I thought. If you just need a face mill for cheap and you're gonna machine some steel on a hand mill or something, I mean, I don't see any reason you wouldn't try buying one of these things if you're only gonna use it once a month. When it comes to a production environment, obviously not. You would never buy something like this for that. But in this case, it actually outperformed what I thought was gonna happen. So with that, I'll catch you guys next time, and I'll see you at the next video.